क्षमा धर्म.
Violating copyright laws is theft sin.
Jam Digital Pathshala.
See how I burnt it.
Who are you? And why are you burning us? What have we ever done to you?
I am anger. Dare to oppose me if you can.
You are using your strength against the weak. But beware, one day someone will come to teach you a lesson.
Oh, I'm scared. Have mercy on me, poor me. I have little children. Don't hurt me. Step away. If anyone tries to touch me, they will burn. Because I am anger.
Why are you troubling these innocents? What do you gain from all this?
Power and authority.
You cannot gain authority over anyone through anger.
Why not? When we get angry, people listen to us. They obey our orders quietly. That's why people get angry to make others do what they want. That's why anger is necessary. Like mothers scolding children, masters scolding servants, mother-in-law getting angry on daughter-in-law. This shows that our desired work doesn't accomplish without anger.
Brother, anger never truly achieves anything. Even if the other person obeys because of compulsion, later that anger will bring consequences. But if the same thing is explained with love and calmness, the other person will gladly do it, even if they don't understand immediately, but after some time they will. So the idea that anger makes things happen that the other person will listen, this is an illusion.
What nonsense! Think practically. If people stayed quiet and tolerated all this anger, the world would still torment them, make them dance on its fingers. That's why, to live with dignity, one has to use anger in life.
Then who became great? Hitler, who lived with approach and anger, or Gandhi, who lived by forgiveness and calmness? Think about it.
Why worship greatness that requires so much patience?
And what is the point of a life that brings happiness only by hurting others? Where is the nobility in this? Don't forget, anger first burns itself, then others. Burns itself meaning it brings diseases to the body.
I've had enough of your chatter. Don't mess with me. I am not just fire. I am flamethrower.
Look at your eyes. They are so red. You have become blind in anger. And this isn't the first time. Whenever you are angry, you can't see truth, your own harm, or the harm to others. In fact, you have no control over yourself. And in that chaos, you cause untold destruction. So discard anger.
I spit on you, on your philosophy. Two. Anger makes me feel powerful. Feel it and then say it. No one has been born who can match anger. And anyone who tries, I'll engulf in my fire.
Oh, fiery brother, why get angry over little things? Why burn your own and others' hearts? I'm saying this. You have caused harm to everyone with the fire of your passions. Calm down and think.
Hey you, call me fiery. Have you looked at yourself? You are a coward, but I am fire.
I'm not a coward. I'm the jewel of heroes. Forgiveness is the ornament of the brave. To fight anger with anger is a sign of weakness. A true hero is one who forgets old grievances and forgives.
You call yourself brave and me weak, questioning my power, my ability. You make me furious. If you don't calm down, I will destroy you. Destroying you is child's play for me.
False pride, false power, illusion. You have nothing truly.
Enough. I'm losing patience. I am furious. Now wait. I will burn you to ashes.
In the end, forgiveness triumphs. Hail the supreme religion of forgiveness.
You appear only when forgiveness speaks. I exist all year around.
Anger is gone. Now who are you, brother?
His son, great anger, will take revenge.
जय जिनेंद्र
है श्रावक
थैंक यू
ऐसे ज्ञानदान जो करते हैं डोनेशन देने वाले कल्याण जगत का करते हैं दान धर्म की महिमा से प्रभावना ही होती है महावीर प्रभु की वाणी हर घर घर में जाती है दान करो जी दान करो इस जग का कल्याण करो